We want to recognize his long history as a humanitarian and the connection he has with the nonprofit organization Habitat for Humanity. Our Sedona Meadows is live in the studio. And Sedona, you actually spoke with a local Habitat for Humanity. What did you learn?
Kanisha, I spoke with the executive director of Habitat for Humanity of the River Valley, and he shared more about the organization as a whole and the legacy former President Jimmy Carter leaves on the nonprofit.
We build homes or rehab homes that we turn around, we sell to the family. We finance that in-house at a 0% interest mortgage. So what we do is we give a family the opportunity towards home ownership to fulfill their need for safe and affordable housing.
Jeremy Folks, executive director of Habitat for Humanity of the River Valley, says building homes for families provides them a stable environment while empowering them as homeowners.
We see high graduation rates. We see better health rates. With Habitat homes, the families are able to save money. So now we're taking care of food insecurities. We're taking care of medical. We're taking care of education. We're allowing families to have opportunities with savings and retirement.
Folks shares that volunteers are a big driving force in creating these affordable homes.
Helping us build the homes, doing the framing of the homes. They're putting in the flooring, the cabinets.
One very notable volunteer being former President Jimmy Carter.
He is Habitat for Humanity's most famous volunteer, he and Rosalind Carter. When President Carter left office, they went back to Plains, Georgia, and Habitat for Humanity started just a few miles up the road in Americus, Georgia.
Former President Carter and former First Lady Rosalind Carter were dedicated Habitat for Humanity volunteers for more than 35 years, being advocates, raising funds, and building homes.
The next thing you know, that they are doing the President Carter and Rosalind work project, and they've helped over 4,000 families in 14 countries worldwide.
He says former President Carter has set an example to serve the greater good.
We work as one, and being able to put our differences aside and be there for that family, to be there for that community and that neighborhood, and to serve those who are most in need.
Folks lives every day through the words of former President Carter.
I have one life and one chance to make it count for something. My faith demands that I do whatever I can, whenever I am, whenever I can, for as long as I can, with whatever I have to try to make a difference. I'm glad to be part of an organization that tries to do that.
Habitat for Humanity of the River Valley says their prayers are with the Carter family during this time, as they hold them very near and dear to their hearts. Back to you, Kanisha.